picture tells a story. Keep watching. This is my second flight, having transited for around 3 hours after the flight from Heathrow. We're now going to be departing from gate E02. While the airline is rapidly replacing their 747 aircraft with more fuel-efficient planes, like the Airbus A350 and the 777, some 747-800s remain in their fleet and are still used for passenger services on specific domestic routes such as Beijing, Shanghai, and Beijing, Shenzhen. A few 747s are also used for VIP governmental transportation.
How are you, okay?
As we walk down to the aircraft through the drawbridge, I'm looking for seat 20A, booked in advance. Again, all the flights that I go on, I choose a window seat, mainly on the left-hand side, for ease of video and photography. You'll notice on this flight the tightness of the seating and the materials.
Seating plan, I booked 20A because I do love window seats, and I did this a couple of years ago. Brilliant. Just a bit to squeeze out the side there, just a bit to squeeze out the side there.
But you can see that the legroom was much better on this flight than on the 777. We're pushing back now and taxiing out to the departing runway. Now having taken off, we're settling in for the 3-hour 30-minute flight to Hong Kong. Sunset over China as we power on through to Hong Kong. Beautiful, beautiful sunset. As we start our descent into Chep Lap Kok Airport, that's Hong Kong's international airport, the sun has set and the darkness has set in. Very smooth flight. We've landed a couple of minutes early. textbook landing, and you'll hear the excitement of the two students sat next to me.
我靠！录取通知！哇，好帅！我勒个去，被你拍的。
Outside the aircraft we have buses from the tarmac stand through to the terminal, and you can see it's pretty wet. This was the precursor to the worst rain in decades to hit Hong Kong. I picked up my Octopus card, the elderly edition seniors, 50% discount. The card almost removes the need for cash. You just top it up at thousands of stores, outlets, 7-Elevens and more. From the airport I took the Hong Kong Express Rail to Central and then walked over to the bus station. I knew I needed the number 70 bus. That took us all the way to Aberdeen. Aberdeen is on the south coast of Hong Kong Island.
Well, I managed to navigate myself with no Wi-Fi all the way to Aberdeen, and I found at South Nest. There it is. Happy days.
The South Nest Hotel, it's in Shek Wan Road, Aberdeen. I'll put the details in the links below. Kettle's just boarding time for coffee, phone, light, TV, a view, and a bed. As I said, it's a Hong Kong room. This is what the rooms are like. They're very small, but well, you're going to be sleeping here, so it doesn't matter. That was my short video on my flight from Beijing to Hong Kong. Come back for more videos from this, my trip of 15 days into Hong Kong.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel. And click the bell to get notifications of new content.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share if you can. See you on the next one. Bye bye.